We're on the record in clause number 323242. The case is styled the state of Texas versus David Howard Brewer. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Brewer?
Could be better, sir, but it's not bad.
Okay, Mr. Brewer,
Yes, sir.
I see here that your case is on the court's announcement docket and you have a pending felony case, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And look like that case is set for trial. That's way in September. Now, Mr. Brewer, have you been in court on this case before?
Uh, no, sir. No, I caught the case while I was incarcerated, and then I went to prison from there, and then I thought that they were gonna deal with the case while I was locked up because, I mean, I was locked up for a year and I wrote 3 motions.
Okay, now, Mr. Brewer, let's do this here. Capo, we need to give them the paperwork.
Sir,
I'm gonna go over this paperwork with you. It's only gonna take a second.
I'm losing his line, sir. I can't do this. You can pick it up.
Okay, I'm gonna read it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna read it to you.
Like that.
Okay, and the title is Judge Explanation of Rights to Defendant Without Attorney. As a defendant in a criminal case, you have 3 options. Number 1, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number 2, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number 3, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
All right. If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand? Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including a loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, at the bottom of this document, it states, defendant's choice. Mark initials next to only one choice. Okay, I'm just reading here, just reading it.
Okay.
If your choice is, I want to reset this case to hire my own attorney, then you'll put your initials on the first line to the left. If your choice is, I have hired an attorney whose name is, then you'll put your initials on the second line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is, I want to apply for court-appointed counsel, then you'll put your initials on the third line to the left. Or if your choice is, I have hired court-appointed attorney whose name is, then you'll put your initials on the fourth line to the left. Or finally, if your choice is, I want to waive my right to an attorney and represent myself, then you'll put your initials on the fifth line to the left. Now, Mr. Brewer,
Yes, sir.
what is your choice? Do you want to hire your own
I
attorney?
mean, I would like to try to hire my attorney, yes, sir.
Okay, then you'll put your initials on the first line to the left.
Like my business is 2,800, so like.
Initial on the top line up there,
And then sign it where it says defendant.
just your initials. Slide the name on this line.
Okay. Okay, now, Mr. Brewer, your case is gonna be, well, first of all, how much time do you need to hire your own attorney?
Sir, I don't, I mean, it shouldn't take me that long. I mean, I'm.
Okay, we
I'm gonna make
normally-
some phone calls and, you know, I mean, see if any of them are
Okay,
affordable.
would you be able to hire one in 30 days?
I'm not, I'm sure I can squeeze, I can either find out if I can or I can't in 30 days, yes, sir. I mean, if I can't find an attorney within 30 days, then I will ask you to appoint me one.
Okay,
I'm on disability, so.
okay, okay, what we'll do is reset your case for 30 days to give you a chance to see if you can or cannot hire an attorney. And then when you come back, you'll let the court know whether or not you've hired an attorney or if you have not hired an attorney, okay?
Yes, sir.
Stand over here and you'll get your reset
Here.
over there in front of the coordinator,
Okay, thank you, sir.
okay?
That's it.
Same to you, Mr. Brewer. Hold on a minute.
Probably you, her attorney, her client, Brad Tidwell,
Okay.
in front of page 3.
Ms. Provo, you can come forward with your client. Good morning. We're on the record in cause number 325292, the state of Texas versus Brad Thomas Thibodeau. Is that your full name?
Yes,
How are you doing, Mr. Thibodeau? You doing fine?
yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Thibodeau, you're here represented by your attorney, Ms. Marva Provo. How are you doing, Ms. Provo?
I'm doing fine.
Okay, Ms. Provo, do you have an announcement in Mr. Thibodeau's case?
No, Your Honor, he has a pending felony case at this time, so he's trying to wait until misdemeanor and felony comes out the same person. So
Okay.
therefore, and he just told me just now that the felony has been reset to March
It's March 8th. We have it on the docket. You want to reset this
Yes.
case to the same date?
8th, the day after, whatever.
Whichever is convenient. Which one you,
I think the day after. That'll be a
now,
Wednesday.
does he work?
I'm not working at the moment.
Okay, I'm just wondering if he has to take off too many days off.
I've been doing work.
Okay.
Is it okay for you to come, the next day or come on that Monday, or else that same day?
Which one y'all want?
Depends on what you want. You want to do. I could be home Wednesday.
Okay,
I mean, I could wait.
that's fine, I'll say it Wednesday.
Which one?
That way we're gonna-
Yeah, you want to keep it on March 8th?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, we'll reset it to March 8th. Now, Mr. Thibodeau, put your mask over your nose and your mouth.
I'm sorry.
Okay, now, your case is gonna be reset with your felony case, which is set on March 8th. Ms. Provo, you can get your reset. You and your client will be free to go, and y'all have a good day.
Okay, thank you.